It was a bright Saturday morning. Anna was sitting at her kitchen table. She had a cup of tea in her hand and a small notebook in front of her. She looked around her kitchen and saw that some things were missing. Anna said to herself, "I need to go to the store today. We don't have any milk, no eggs, no bread, and the fruit basket is empty." She picked up her pen and started writing a shopping list. Memo vocabulary tip. A shopping list is a list of things you want to buy at the store. Anna's shopping list. Milk, bread, apples, bananas, rice. Oh. After finishing the list, she called to her daughter. Anna. Emily, do you want to come to the store with me? Emily. Yes, Mom. Can I get a snack too? Anna, smiling. Yes, we can get something small. Maybe a granola bar. Emily got her shoes and Anna grabbed her bag. Before they left, Anna checked one more time. Anna. Do we have our shopping list? Emily. Yes, it's in your bag. Anna. Great. Let's go. Anna and Emily walked outside. The sun was shining and the sky was blue. Birds were singing in the trees. Emily. It's a nice day, Mom. Anna. Yes, it is. It's the perfect day to go for a walk. They walked down the street together. Emily skipped ahead a little and Anna smiled. The store was only 10 minutes away, so they decided not to take the car. As they walked, they saw some neighbors. Anna. Good morning, Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas. Good morning, Anna. Going to the store? Anna. Yes. We need some food and a few other things. Mr. Thomas. Have a good trip. Emily. Thank you. They crossed the street at the crosswalk. Anna held Emily's hand. Memo vocabulary tip. A crosswalk is a place on the road where people can walk safely. After a few more minutes, they passed a small cafe. Emily. Mom, can we get a drink later? Anna. Maybe after the store. Let's finish our shopping first. They saw the sign for the store ahead. Anna. We're almost there. Do you remember what's first on our list? Emily. Milk. Anna. That's right. Anna and Emily walked through the automatic doors of the store. The doors opened with a soft whoosh. Inside it was bright and clean. The smell of fresh bread filled the air. Emily. It smells so good in here. Anna. Yes, it does. Let's start with the dairy section. They got a shopping cart and pushed it together. Emily helped steer. Anna. Okay, first on the list is milk. Emily. Here it is. I found it. Anna. Great job. Now let's get some eggs. They walked to the refrigerator aisle. Anna picked a carton of eggs and checked to make sure none were broken. Emily. What's next? Anna. Bread and cheese. They went to the bread section. Anna chose a loaf of whole wheat bread. Emily. Can we get some cookies too? Anna. We'll see. Let's finish the important things first. As they moved through the store, Anna read the list and Emily helped find the items. They found apples, bananas, rice, and pasta. In the vegetable section, Anna picked up some tomatoes. Anna. Emily, do you know how to say tomato in a sentence? Emily. Yes. I like to eat tomato in my sandwich. Anna. Very good. Try this sentence. I am looking for fresh fruit and vegetables. Finally, they got to the snack aisle. Anna. Okay, you can choose one snack. Emily. Yay. I want the chocolate chip cookies. Anna smiled. All right. Let's go find the cashier now. Anna and Emily had almost everything on their list, but there was one thing missing. Peanut butter. Anna. I don't see the peanut butter. Do you see it, Emily? Emily. No, maybe it's hiding. Anna laughed. Let's ask someone for help. They walked over to a store worker who was stocking shelves. He wore a red vest and had a friendly smile. Anna. Excuse me, can you help me please? Store worker. Of course. What are you looking for? Anna. I'm looking for peanut butter. Where can I find it? Store worker. It's in aisle 5, next to the jam and honey. Anna. Thank you very much. Store worker. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Emily. He was very nice. Anna. Yes, and you see how we ask politely. We say, excuse me. And can you help me? Excuse me, where can I find the item? They walked to aisle 5. There was lots of peanut butter jars. Emily. Crunchy or smooth? Anna. Let's get smooth this time. Anna placed the jar in the cart and smiled. Anna. Now we have everything. Good teamwork, Emily. Emily. High five. They gave each other a cheerful high five and headed toward the checkout area. Anna and Emily pushed their cart toward the front of the store. The checkout lanes were busy, but they found one with a short line. Anna. This one looks good. Let's wait here. Soon it was their turn. A young cashier greeted them with a smile. Cashier. Hello. Did you find everything okay today? Anna. Yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find. Emily. And we got peanut butter. The cashier laughed. Nice choice. As the cashier began scanning the items, Anna and Emily watched. Cashier. Do you have a store card? Anna. Yes, here it is. Cashier. Great. You saved $2 today. Emily, excited, yay. We saved money. After the last item was scanned, the cashier said. Cashier. Your total is $32.50. Anna. Here's my card. She handed over her bank card. The cashier inserted the card and handed Anna the receipt. Receipt is the small paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Cashier. Would you like a bag? Anna. Yes, one bag please. The cashier packed the groceries and gave Anna the bag. Cashier. Have a great day. Anna. Thank you. You too. Emily. Bye. They walked out of the store with smiles. Anna. You did great today, Emily. You helped, asked questions, and even talked to the cashier. Emily. That was fun. I like shopping with you. Anna and Emily walked home from the store, carrying their grocery bag together. The sun was still shining and the air felt fresh. Emily. That was fun, Mommy. I liked talking to the cashier. Anna. You did very well, Emily. I'm proud of you. They reached home and took off their shoes. Anna. Let's put away the groceries first. Emily. Okay. Together they took out the milk, peanut butter, apples, and bread. Emily helped put everything in the fridge and cabinets. After that, Anna made a small snack. She made peanut butter sandwiches and poured 2 glasses of milk. Anna. Snack time. Emily. Yummy. This is the best snack. As they ate, Anna asked. Anna. What new words did you hear today? Emily. Cashier, scan, receipt. Anna. Good job. And what did we say when we needed help? Emily. We said, excuse me, and where is? Anna. Perfect. Anna smiled. Learning English is not just in books. We can learn it every day in real life. Emily. I want to go shopping again. Anna laughed. Next week we will go again. Maybe we can make a shopping list together in English. Emily. Yes. I'll help. That evening Anna felt proud. She spoke English at the store, asked questions, and helped her daughter practice too. It was a small moment, but it meant a lot. She wrote in her notebook, Today I went to the store. I asked for help, talked to the cashier, and used my English. To feel more confident. Headphone, thank you for listening to this story. Would you like a bonus review section or English vocabulary list from this episode? I can add that next.